Good evening, it's 10 to 7 on Saturday 11th of April 2020 and I'm about to have my 4-fruit salad. I have 4 fruit here: papaya, honeydew melon, yellow watermelon and a Packham pear with my Chaat Masala and Amla powder, the juice of 2 lime, chia seed, ground chia seed and ground flax seeds, as well as sunflower kernels. Okay, so this is going to be an awesome fruit salad. It's a 4-fruit salad. It will be my dinner for tonight.